हम सब की तरह ही सेलिब्रिटीज भी कई महीनों से घर पे बैठ के लॉकडाउन रूल्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. But now, with India slowly taking steps back to a new normal, we spotted lots of activity in B-Town from our favorite celebrities as well.
Well, guys, with lockdown restrictions being lifted, B-Town celebrities have been spotted out and about, with some even taking flights to shooting locations. Now, Katrina Kaif was spotted cycling, and Kareena Kapoor Khan was spotted with Chote Nawab Taimur outside his Masi Karishma Kapoor's house. Now, while celebrities are out and about, Abhishek Bachchan came back home after spending almost a month in the hospital recovering from the pandemic-related virus. In the meanwhile, Rana Dugubati married the love of his life, Mihika Bajaj, while other celebrities posted pictures of their cats. If you want to find out who was where and doing what with whom, check out this story.
Katrina, who is one of the fittest and best-looking stars in Bollywood, has decided to try out the newest fitness craze, cycling. Katrina was spotted on the streets of Mumbai with another cyclist. She made sure to wear a mask and gloves as per lockdown rules and seems to be following in the footsteps of her colleagues Salman Khan, Jacqueline Fernandez, Ayushmann Khurrana and even newbie Sara Ali Khan. लेकिन जहां Katrina stepped out to work out, Kareena Kapoor Khan was spotted with son Taimur when they paid Karishma Kapoor a visit over the weekend. Kareena, who missed meeting her sister for the Kapoor Raksha Bandhan celebration, decided to have a casual lunch with her instead. Kareena और Taimur दोनों ही दिखे casually dressed, but with their matching masks in place. Some Bollywood personalities stepped out, but others like poor Abhishek Bachchan finally came back home after almost a month in the hospital. Abhishek was welcomed in true big sister style by Shweta, जिन्होंने एक adorable throwback photo share किया of Abhishek on a toy car. But while there was love for her little brother, she trolled her own son Agastya for his comment, "Dhoom Dhoom," saying he needed to be more original. There was some very good news as well, with Bahubali star Rana Dugubati tying the knot with Mihika Bajaj in a very private wedding ceremony with just 30 people. Rana was congratulated by many of his colleagues, including his baby co-star Akshay, who said, "Perfect way to get permanently locked down. Congratulations, Rana Dugubati. Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness." Others like Jacqueline Fernandez, who is back in Mumbai after a long stay in Salman's farmhouse in Panvel, spent some perfectly lovely quality time with her pet cat to celebrate International Cat Day. It's great to see that after so many months of staying put at home, our Bollywood celebrities finally seem to be getting back to a new normal, one activity at a time.